Looking for a charging cable that won't quit on you? This USB-A to Lightning cable promises compatibility with a wide range of Apple devices, from iPhone X and 8 Plus to iPad Pro and even Beats Pill Plus. Whether you're syncing data or charging your device, it delivers consistent performance every time. What sets this cable apart is its toughness. The black connector heads are rated for an impressive 50,000 bend cycles, making it one of the most durable options out there. That means less frustration with frayed cords and more confidence that your cable will last. Plus, the 6-foot woven fabric cord resists tangling and sports a sleek two-tone black and gray design, giving you extra reach without the mess. Speed matters when you're transferring files or powering up your device. This cable supports USB 2.0 speeds with data transfer rates up to 480 megabits per second, so you won't be waiting around. And because it's MFI certified, you get peace of mind knowing it's fully compatible with all Lightning-equipped laptops, smartphones, and tablets. One user shared how durable and reliable these cables have been in real life. After a brief hiccup caused by a faulty power brick, the cables worked flawlessly and have held up well over time. The length is just right, and they perform as well as any original charger. In fact, they were so satisfied they bought a second set for their kids, who tend to borrow cables frequently. If you're tired of replacing flimsy cables or dealing with slow charging, this USB-A to Lightning cable is worth a look. It offers the durability, speed, and compatibility you need without any guesswork. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup and enjoy hassle-free power for all your Apple devices.